The nearest MRT is Lavender MRT station. After you come out from the station control, turn to the left to exit from exit B. You can walk through this way all the way straight. Cross the first zebra crossing over here. Continue walking straight, it is sheltered all the way. Cross the second zebra crossing and walk straight to the lift and take the lift up to the second floor. Make a turn to the right once you come out from the lift. Take a slight left and continue walking straight. So from here, you should be able to see Beauty Recipe on the right. Turn right over here and continue walking straight, and Beauty Recipe would be on your left. And then we are welcome to Beauty Recipe.